welcome back to my channel. My name is Delphina and I'm super excited returning back to you. So as you can see today, I'm dressing like a Muslim, and that's because I'm going for a Muslim function happening live in Accra, Ghana. I hope you guys are excited, you know. I'm super excited because, oh my god, this noise. Alright, so guys, I'm super excited. You know why? Because things like this don't usually happen. It doesn't really occur. It comes once in a while. So whenever something like this is happening, you see, that will enable me to dress, like, to remember how my people are dressing, you know. So I'll just pick up one or two things and put together. Then this is the outcome of what I'm wearing today. Don't worry, when I drop, I'm gonna show you my everything, like my outfit, like everything. You guys will see it one by one. Okay, so I'm going for the function today. I don't know what they are celebrating though. A friend of mine just called me and be like, Joe, come out, let's go see what is happening, you know, in is it the forecourt house? I don't know, but let's go there. I don't know. When we get there, you and I will know better. Okay, so guys, I'm on my way right now, and right now I'm going to turn the camera. You guys are tired. I know you're tired of seeing the same thing all the time. So I think when I get to the location, then I will start filming again. But just to let you know that I'm out, and you all are gonna come along with me because I'm not gonna miss out anything. My friend Jenny is already there. She's already there, so I'm going to go meet her up. So let's go and enjoy ourselves. See ya at the venue. Said this is the Parliament.
Yes,
Parliament House.
Right.
So guys, we are the Parliament. I don't even know God. Parliament House. And here's my driver. I hope you guys are seeing what is happening there, right? So I will drop very soon.
So is it actually a festival?
Yeah, like, I don't know, but this is just, I don't know, my friend just called that I should come. So I'm here now. I have to pay my driver. Driver say hello.
Hello.
Very soon you'll see him. I will introduce you guys to his YouTube channel very soon. It's gonna be on YouTube, okay? So get ready to support him also. So I'm about to pay. When I'm done, I will continue filming. Alright? Hey!
The national TV.
Alright, so guys, I'm here. Jenny is already by my car waiting for me. My sister, my sweet sister. Where are you, Jenny? Thank you so much. I beg, show them. I want to show them. I want to show them what I'm wearing. Can you? You guys have seen what I'm wearing. I'm super excited hearing them speaking Hausa. It's been a while. I'm feeling at home. I'm feeling at home. Da gaske mu fara Hausa ba yanzu. Dan bana son ji komai. I don't want to hear nothing. Have you paid? No. No, I paid. I paid. Have you seen? Guys, wait a minute. Do you know what, guys? Over excitement make me to even forget that I'm to pay the taxi. Hello. The way we are excited, guys, you guys do not understand. It's been a long time, like me. 1 year and 5 months.
It's been a while I spoke outside.
Yes.
Like, I was so excited. Like, even my state people came, the Kanuri people from Maiduguri. And I'm like,
yeah. Hey, I mean, let's go and see them. I've never even, as I did Nigeria, I've never seen them, the Kanuri people. So today, I'm in Ghana, seeing Kanuri.
You know that they do
culture.
their entrance. Everybody does their entrance.
Okay.
So they've done the entrance. They are almost
That
done.
means I miss a lot.
Look at me looking like some Hajia.
Hajia Bintu. No, Hajia Bintu. Yeah. Alright guys, let me take you around there. Yeah, me, I've done it though. You know, normally I do it inside car. Guys, I'll turn the camera right now so you guys will see what is happening, okay? I think the entrance video, I'll take it from Jenny. Let me tell them. I'll take the entrance video from Jenny. Wow, guys, this is massive. I don't want to speak Hausa because I know not every one of you know how to speak Hausa. But let's just start from here. I can see some, you know, I don't know what is happening though, but I'm here. Okay, I think they're taking pictures, I know. Okay, let's see. Kids are cute. Okay, hello. Alright. Ciao. Nani? Zan ziyan samu abinci? A jiro tukun? Amma an jima zan samu ko? Alright, na gode. Alright. Okay, guys. As you can see, I just came to ask for food. And don't Allah, za ya damu in yi hoto in bi haka? Alright, so na gode. Alright. I don't know who these people are though. But if you recognize anybody here, let me know in the comment section. I wish I can speak Hausa. But just because most of you don't understand Hausa, so I'm taking it easy, you know. Oh, this is a king. I don't know. Oh my God. I love it. Wow. Sorry, please.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. With reverence to the Almighty Allah, who has honored man to be his vicegerent, His Eminence, the National Chief Imam, my grandfather, Sheikh Dr. Nuhu Sharubutu, our revered chief and ulama.
The wives of the kings.
Yes. Mr. Chairman, representatives of government, Nime Hename, political representatives, civil society, youth leaders, all esteemed guests, media, Hausa brothers and sisters, and by integral connection, the Zongo community and fellow Ghanaians. It is my honor to stand before you today to celebrate World Hausa Day, and
World Hausa
Day brings us together to appreciate the rich cultural heritage and contributions of the Hausa people. Today, we gather to celebrate the profound impact of the Hausa language on Ghanaian society. The Hausa language has been a bridge connecting cultures and fostering unity amongst diverse communities.
I love your voice, it's a beautiful melodious voice that you are giving us that presentation. I just want to briefly terminate and suspend you while we make a very important announcement. The President of the Republic controls the country. He has put specific ministers in charge of various sectors who are supposed to be in charge of our peace and our well-being. One of the ministers is he is the Minister
I think
for
I'm
the
done.
Interior. And
I'm done. Let me just go away from my food. I don't know. When they'll give me the food though. But
so ladies and gentlemen, we will just be joined by the Minister for the
I can see something happening right in front of me, guys. Let me turn the camera. Oh my God, I'm so scared. Oh shit. god, I'm so scared. Filming at the same time. I'm running. I'm filming. I'm running. I'm doing all of this because I want you guys to see. Ina yin video wannan so da kun ku gani dukan ku ga abin da ke faruwa nan. I better missing komai ba gaskiya. I hope you guys are enjoying it. No, my own.
Okay, I would like to get you. Please give me your number.
All right. 0. All right. Soro ya shiga jiki. Na ji soro. Hey. Zai yi aiki baran gani. Oh, ink ya gama.
Like is the better one.
Ban sani ba fawo.
I like sparkly that cover thing.
I'm scared. So Jenny left her. She did not eat anything from her house. She came here to eat. But how was the food?
I ate danwake.
Danwake? Have I ever eaten danwake? I'm not sure.
Wow.
Hey!
That's like my favorite.
Then today I will try danwake. I've never eaten. I've heard. I've seen. No. Yes, I am. You know, Kaduna people is like we are. Yes, Kaduna. We are in the like the color of the middle.
And the taushe.
Yeah. Ah, I love it. All right. 0. Maybe it doesn't want my number to be on this.
No, it must.
Yeah, I'm coming. One.
Yeah.
Delfina.
Thank you.
Oh, good.
Also joined us. I hope I pronounced that well. Very grateful. We also have
They love to be acknowledged.
Dogari Abdul Malik Safiano in our midst, driver Lukman Samu.
Like Nigeria. Hey,
is here with us.
This is the 6th edition, right?
Samba
Only God knows
is
where
also
all
here
these
with us.
people
Thank you,
are.
Hadia. Auntie Mata
I'm telling you.
Hadia Maimunatu Abdullahi. Thank you so much. Last year, Akakaini. Somebody is circling.
Take it easy because even I say these horses they are uncontrollable. My sister, I can't, I'm scared. I'm scared there. Oh God. Good.
Airi kenan na mahaya na samarin ainihin Greater Accra wanda ko da wani lokaci in ka ga wayannan bayan Allah da irin ado da ake yi na jikinsu da na dawakan baki daya, dole abin ya burge ka. Na san ku don kanku ba sai na faɗa ba, wannan abin kowace shekara ana yin sa. Na sun zo suna zazzagawa, suna jinjina ga sarakuna masu martaba da kuma ainihin minista babban bakonmu. Wannan abin ya bayan yana kuma burgewa.
Alright, so finally we are done here. We are done here. Woo! Done.
One Zoom. Oh, why is that not me? Me she has sent in the app. So chairman of Zumunchi Hausa One Ghana, Sarkin Alhaji Abubakar Sadiq. We also have the representative of the Sarkin Zongo, Gomwanyanyano, Alhaji Ali Al Hassan. We have Sarkin Zamfara One Akweteman, Alhaji Adamu Barmo. We have Sarkin Hausa One Oyarifa, Alhaji Ridwan Ahmed in our midst. We have Sarkin Zongo Nasenchi.
Everywhere, Sarki
Zakari, my
but
own
you will never
father,
hear them
we have
bragging.
Sarkin of Gal West, Sarkin Alhaji Suraju Umar, my namesake. Sarkin Gobirawan Ghana, Alhaji Idris Abdul Kader in our midst. We also have in our midst King Sidi Sarkin Hausawa, Sarkin Fulani Nalajo and Babi, Sarkin Zong Mahia, Sarkin Ali is here with us, and Ibrahim Kiroma Banda of Ijra Ashanti.
To mun gode har yanzu dai a cikin acknowledgement bari mu duba delegation da suka zo da ainihin masarautar zango wata Alhaji Sabo Idris mai zango sarkin zango Ciroman Baba Sharif former national organizer cikin waton ayarin kenan, sannan honorable Alhaji Collins Dauda MP yana tare da mu kuma shine shugaban da ya kula da aikin haji wato bana. Sannan Alhaji Baban Lami Abu Sadat, Zango Aina City Coordinator Development, the Office of the President. Sannan Alhaji
Yeah.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Google. Okay, that's right, okay, okay, Sergey, I can do the. Thank you.
They're dancing! They're done. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
How was it? Hey, how was it? Good, good. Yay, Auzu. Auzu. Is it Auzu? Auzu. What are they even saying? Auzu. Auzu the lion. It's Auzu. So guys, this food is for free. Can you imagine? This is free. When you come for an Hausa festival, this is what you get. You have free food to eat. Yeah. So this is Jenny. She's trying to get some place so she can serve herself. She said she want to eat tuwo. I don't know if it's rice balls or tuwo shikapa or the tuwo zafi itself. But I'm here. Are you giving me? All right. I don't even. I saw somebody holding it, but I don't know. This is me with my plate. I'm looking for masa. I'm looking for masa. I don't know. But let's see if we're gonna get the food. Jenny.
National Chief Imam of the Republic.
No masa, so I've gotten to. How are we gonna put the soup? Hey. So this is my food with Jenny, and we're going for that soup. They call it mian taushe. Yeah. All these people you have seen there, they are here to eat food. Jenny the foodie. I beg, cover your hair, cover your hair. Look at Jenny. Okay, I think we should Jenny, let's get the takeaway. Dan Allah ku tamake mu da takeaway a sa mana miya. Mun ci haka ko ba na? Mun ci haka. There's no meat in the soup, okay? There's no meat in the stew, but we're gonna get it like that. What can we do? It's better to have some than nothing. So I think that's ours they are putting. Is it gonna be enough for us?
Apart from
Hajiya Jenny. I think we should look for something and put that one. Okay. Hey, this soup. Jenny, what kind of food? Ah! Okay. Wani ya daga ruwa, wai me haka ne wai? Me haka, gashi na nima na bada ruwa na. Kina ta so wurin ko? To ko ni je ne? Ko? Ko pure water ne? They don't tell. Let me go and get pure water from the woman. So Jenny gets water. We didn't see the water, so I'm going to get pure water so we can wash our hands and eat the food.
Domin muka duba tarihin Hausawa na Ghana. Hausawa sun shigo a Ghana.
So I just asked. I said, "Na son ruwa." That means I want water, and they gave me two. So literally everything I'm eating here today is for free, guys. What can you say about this? Hausa people not generous? They are, of course, they're generous. They give you anything you want.
The contributions Hausawa.
No, they even asked me to pick. Like they asked how many I want. I said two. I didn't mean I wanted more than that. They would have given me. We are suffering though.
International Hausa Day ne za mu yi mu gabatar da wannan buri kamar shekaran ga da muka gabatar da International Hausa Day ga abinda muka yi wasan.
He was like, you do everything you do.
Zai kasance abin burgewa
Is your face, oh? Let's see. Jenny will not kill me. Okay, let me have my own bite. Let me have a bite. Trust me, guys. This is nice. Hausa women can cook.
Tare abuga ba hanya bari ya wuce ga haushi a tare abuga ba hanya a bari ya wuce ga haushi ruwa mai aiki sannu wani Allah mai aiki sannu Usmanu halifan mamma mai aiki sannu Usmanu Sayyidina Muhammad Rasulullah ngode lai sabu yanzu dala kuma baya man milki yanzu ya kai lokaci honorable minister zai magana don Allah ku bari mu yi aikin mu yadda ya kamata. Honorable Minister for the Interior, Honorable Muhammad Muttaka Mubarak, sai magana. Bismillah.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Hadaran babban limamin mu Sheikh Usman Sharubutu da dukkan limamai da ke nan. Hadaran babban sarkin mu sarki English Kadir, sarkin Hausawa, sarkin Musawa da Musawa da ke nan, ga Kolinzora na kusa da ni. Manya-manyan sarakai, attajirai da aka haddaro nan ga wurin taro, iyaye, mata, magajiyoyi da dukkan yawaye da suka zo suka halarto wanga taro. Farko dai na shaida babu abin gaskatawa da gaskiya fashe Allah. Na shaida annabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam annabin Allah ne, amincin Allah ya tabbata bisa gare sa da alayensa da sahabbansa da dukkan mabaki daya da muke fama bin gurabunsa har ran tashi alkiyama. Na muku sallama ta addinin musulunci. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Farko dai His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ya ce mu zo mu saya madadin shi mai muku barkanmu da sabon shekara, kuma har wa yau godiyan shi bai karewa. Ita shekara wancan war haka ya zo ya saya nan da ya kai wurin maganar shi ya ce yana fata yadda ya zo wurin taron International Day Hausa, Allah sa sabon shekara in za a yi zai zo yana presidentin Ghana. Shiga shi yau Allah ya yi ya zama presidentin Ghana. Amma duk wanda ke bibiyan tafiya na His Excellency kasan ya yi tafiya kusan 7 ke ga yau ga ya sauko. So tuwon shi yau ya bari akwai gajiya, abin da ya sa ya ce mu zo mu saya madadin shi kenan. Muna fata insha Allah inda yawancin da lafiya sabon shekara haka za mu zo mu mara mai baya Allah ya yarda. Amma kamin ce wani abu da yi magana game ga abu biyu. Da zu dawana Ben Abdullah ya zo yanzu su sun koma opposition, so shi abin da za su bayar ya faɗi ya ce wo in bayar. Amma ina duba wani abubuwan abin abin ya yi sauri kwarai ai. Sakamakon jiya na kuka fita kai fa. A sakamakon jiya na kuka fita har aisin ya narke. Ya kamata ku duba magana, a duba maganan ga da kyau. Sannan sarkin Musawa, ni da ka zo ka saya na ta za ka yi musanci ne. Kamar yadda yake magana nan ka san kamar ya fi jin Hausa da musanci. Amma kamin ce wani ina so read speech His Excellency saboda wayan jaridu da kenan. Members of the Diplomatic Corps, members of Parliament, Imams, Chiefs, esteemed elders, distinguished guests, members of Hausa and Zongo across Ghana and beyond, good evening once again to you. It is with immense pride and humility that I stand before you today, representing His Excellency, the President of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, at this vibrant celebration of World Hausa Day 2025. On behalf of His Excellency, the President, I extend heartfelt congratulations and greetings to profound gratitude to the organizers, participants, and all who have worked tirelessly to make this historic event a success. Though the President could not be here in person, he is here in spirit and promised to join us, inshallah, next year when this festival is repeated. President Mahama also wishes to express his deep appreciation for the trust in his leadership, his commitment to reducing the hajj fare, a promise he made during this campaign and has been fulfilled, ensuring greater accessibility for our Muslim brothers and sisters to undertake this sacred journey. This is a testament to his dedication to the Zongo community and the broader Ghanaian populace. Ladies and gentlemen, the theme for this year's celebration, celebrating Zongo's excellence, honoring its pivotal contribution to national building, resonates deeply with the values of unity, resilience, and progress that define our Zongo communities. The word Zongo, rooted in the Hausa language and meaning traveler's camp, carries profound historical and cultural significance. From the Trans-Sahara trade route to the vibrant settlement in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, and beyond, Zongos have transformed from temporary caravan stop into thriving hubs of commerce, culture, and community. Established by Hausa traders and others, these settlements have fostered economic vitality, preserved cultural heritage, and promote social cohesion, shaping Ghana into a diverse and resilient nation we cherish today. The excellence of Zongo community is evident in their multifaceted contribution to Ghana's development. Economically, Zongos are powerhouses of trade and entrepreneurship. Markets like Nima, Medina, and Zongole drive innovations in textile, food processing, and craftsmanship, creating jobs and bolstering local economies. Culturally, these communities have preserved the Hausa language, music, poetry, and Islamic scholarship. Through festival, Quranic schools, and artistic traditions, Zongo enrich Ghana's multicultural tapestry, ensuring our heritage remains a source of pride and identity. Socially, Zongos exemplify unity, bridging ethnic and religious divides through intermarriages, communal support system, and shared celebration. From building mosques, schools, and health centers to active political participation, Zongo communities have laid strong foundation for nation building and building the Hausa values of resilience, hospitality, and collective progress. As we celebrate Zongo's excellence, we honor how these communities inspire all Ghanaians to work together as a prosperous and inclusive future. However, as we rejoice in this achievement, we must confront challenges that threaten the stability of our communities and our nation. Security remains a top priority, and under President Mohammed's leadership, the Ministry of Interior is steadfast in ensuring the safety of every Ghanaian, particularly in our vibrant Zongo communities. While Zongos are renowned for their peace and hospitality, they face risk from petty crime, youth unrest, and occasional communal tension. To address it, we are strengthening security through enhanced community policing initiative that foster community leaders to promote peace and resolve conflict. The Ghana Police Service, alongside our other security agencies, is working diligently to maintain safety in our community. I urge all Zongo residents to remain vigilant, report suspicious activities. In many Zongo communities, we see young people falling victims to substances like tramadol, cannabis, and other illicit drugs. Consequences are severe. Health deterioration, including addiction and mental disorder, rising crime such as theft and gang activity fueled by drug use, family breakdowns, eroding the tight-knit bonds that define our community, lost potential as talented youth stray from productive path, weakening the legacy of Zongo excellence. Wayward behavior marked by disrespect for elders, truancy, and involvement in illicit activities not only harm individuals but threaten the social fabric of our communities. The government is taking decisive action. The Narcotics Control Commission is intensifying effort to disrupt this trafficking through stricter, broader control and targeted community raid. We are expanding rehabilitation programs that integrate counseling, vocational training, and Islamic teachings to guide the youth back to purpose. I call on parents, imams, chiefs, and community leaders to reinforce the Hausa values of discipline, respect, and hard work. Let us promote positive role models, Hausa traders, scholars, and modern professionals from the Zongo who inspire our youth to excel. Through sports, vocational program, and Zongo-based youth initiatives, we can channel energies towards nation building, ensuring our young people shine as brightly as our communities. Beyond security and youth challenges, Zongo excellence shine in other vital areas. In education, these communities have produced scholars, teachers, and professionals who contribute to Ghana's intellectual and technological advancement. In closing, let us draw inspiration from the legacy of Zongo to build a stronger and more united Ghana. On behalf of the President, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, I reaffirm our unwavering commitment to supporting the Zongo and Hausa communities through policies that enhance security, combat social challenges, and amplify your invaluable contribution. May the World Hausa Day 2025 ignite renewed pride in our heritage and a collective resolve to shape a brighter future. Let us continue to work hard, hand in hand, to build a safer and more prosperous Ghana for all. Kamende nkakere magana na. A takaice dai na san yawanci nan sun ji abin da muka faɗi, amma saboda iyaye da ke nan wani abin da ke tafiya yau Allah ya taimaka mana zangon mu duk wani abin da kake nema na wurin ilimi Allah ya mana baiwan shi. In ka zo yau 'yan siyasa ga musu cikin NPP cikin NDC, in kana bidan doktoci za ka samu yaran zango da yake yau doctors ne, in ga kana bidan engineers, ba wani abin da kake nema ba ka samu cikin zango. Abin da ya saura ne ya zama mu hada kanmu. Wurin haɗin kai wani abu ne da yake yana da muhimmanci sosai. Ko gwamnati ke nan, wallahi in dai ba kuna da haɗin kai bane, an kafa gwamnatin nan ka ga yan wayan kuna cikin amma ba za ku ci amfani su ba. To wannan ne muke makuka, muna ba kan hankuri, muna gama kowa da Allah mu yi kokari wurin hada kanmu, mu guji fitina, mu guji tashin hankali cikin unguwannin mu zauna lafiya. Yau wa'ansu cikin mu sun zamo su ne masu sun kawo kwayan suna sayarwa. Muna samun report kuma cikin ikon Allah mun doki yakin nan kenan. Duk wanda ke nan ya sai yana yi wallahi kai kokari ka bari, ki kokari ki bari. Domin wallahi ba za mu gaji ba, yanda ba ku gaji an san da shi, hakan ma ba za mu gaji bin ku ba. To amma abin da muke makuka ne, ranar da za a sa ka hannu ko ranar da za a sa ki hannu, mu ba mu son wani babbai taso za su ba da hankuri. Domin ya kamata mu kiyaye wanga cikin gwaninmu, domin yaranmu muna so inda muka kai yaranmu su wuce inda mu muka kai. To bai yiwa kuma wanga abu ta tabbata sai dai mun bar batun kwayoyi da sadda miyagun ababa muna ba yaran wa'ansu cikin unguwa. Muna fata Allah ya kai mu sabon shekara ya maimaita muna da muka zo kuma His Excellency ya ba mu abin taimako da za a taimaka ma organizers. Wa zai zo ya karbi ya ba su gashi nan His Excellency ce mu ba ku
200 million 20,000 Ghana cedis kenan abinda mun ta kai zo da shi wanda ya fito hannu His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ga 200 million a raga a kara a rage bashi da shi in ji mun ta. Muna godiya kwarai, Allah ya saka da kuma Allah ya maimaita mana. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Ngode Honorable Minister Jaja MP na ainihin Ayawa su North kuma Deputy Minister sannan Alhaji Stephen Ashka da kuma Alhaji Horoya mun gode matuka.
I didn't see you. So I'm done with Honorable. This is my first time seeing him face to face. I've been seeing him on TV, but I saw him today face to face. Oh, you see him? Honorable. You are trying to like no. Yeah. Chaparada and back to square one. Who owns that food there that I'm saying? This rubber. Jenny. Guess what is there? Burkina. Sweet Burkina. It's not your regular Burkina. It's not a regular Burkina. For me to say something is nice, that's sweet. It's nice. Yeah, but it has some kind of herbs, this thing. I don't know what's that.
There is this thing inside.
But I know it should be medicinal, so.
There's tiger nut.
Okay, so it's a tiger nut. There's something again, I thought like a sweet nut, something
yes,
like
so it's that one is cake fruit.
Oh. Yeah. So we are still outside, guys. We'll be leaving soon, okay? So I'll be amazing. Pray so Jenny will get well. She's not fine though.